Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully you are doing well.
Class 4, today we are going to revise input device scanner from chapter number 3. So let's start. Scanner is a device that can scan photos, printed text, handwriting or any other object. After scanning, it creates an image of the document. So dear students, scanner is an input device which scans photos, printed text, handwriting or any other object that is present on a single paper. How it works: after scanning, it creates an image of that document and saves it in its memory. This image can be used by us according to our needs, and you use that image whenever you require it. Scanners are useful, so this is the uses of scanners. Scanners are useful for making copies of document and photographs, sending fax and changing written or typed text into a computer file. So, dear students, through scanners, you may easily transfer or convert your hard copy into computer's copy or into soft copy. After clicking the image of your document, it saves it in the computer in form of soft copy. Dear students, come to exercise of chapter number 3, page number 25. The question that is regarding to our revision topic is from question number 4, part G. What is a scanner? So answer is on page number 19 plus 20.